Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel, and I'm super excited to show you this wig, you guys. Her name is Rich and it's from It's a Wig, and let me tell you, this wig is so glamorous. It's so bomb. Look at it, it's so pretty. I love this wig. She comes in this NT blue color. It's a type of dark blue, so it's not too show-offy and too loud. It's really nice and toned down and glamorous. So if you guys are looking for like any type of like Valentine's Day hair, this will be the one for you to go and get. It's really pretty. It is a super soft Swiss lace, but that means it's a soft lace, so it's not hard on your edges. It's really pretty. Look at it. See? And this means you could also part it in any which way you want, but be mindful there's not a lot of parting space. So you would get like about from here to here, like probably like 1.5 inches, if that much. It's not a lot. It doesn't go all the way back. It's just literally sitting at the front. And towards the end, it gets smaller. So if you're looking for something that's like extreme parting space, this wouldn't be the wig. But I can tell you it's super pretty and it's really nice, and I would really go out and get it. It's so cute. This is what the side of the hair looks like. See? Let me show you guys the middle. Middle of it. See, it's not a lot of parting space. So if you're looking for something with more parting space, this wouldn't be it, but I don't think it's that bad. Look at that. I mean, look how pretty this is. The length of it, it's not too short or long. It's kind of in between, like 22 to 24 inches. And for reference, I'm 5'4", so if you're a little taller than me, it may come up a little bit, you know, shorter on you, but it's a good length. It's not one of those everyday hair, so this is one of, like, you know, you're going out somewhere nice, so this will be the hair for you to go and pick out. And that's but I like the side of it more, so the hair could kind of like come down on my face. As for the specs of this wig, it has 2 combs in the front and 1 in the back with adjustable straps, so you won't be afraid to use the combs for extra security if you have a smaller head. So it will work for you. And let me show you guys the stock card. The model has on the exact same color I have on, and it is 300 to 400 degrees heat safe, and it's super Swiss lace, as I say right there. So, and that's the parting space they're showing you here. So it's not a lot, but it's workable. And in the back, as per usual, showing you what to do when you need to wash the wig and all of that, and telling you why the wigs are the best. I can tell, look how pretty this is. It's so nice. I love this hair. If I had to rate it, it would be a 10 out of 10, because this is super glamorous curls. Like, wow, it's really pretty. It comes in a variety of different colors as well. I would leave those in the description bar below, along with where you could find this wig as well. So don't worry about it. All the information will be down there for you to find it and get it fast, because after you see this, you're gonna be like, ooh, cute, I want one. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and click on that notification bell so you never miss another fabulous wig. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.